So if you make videos or short films or whatever, just any video content, then B-roll is going to be very important. So today I'm going to reveal to you pretty much 5 of the best B-roll tips in the entire industry, all in under 60 seconds. So let's roll that intro. Hey, it's AKAJK, and yeah, my face isn't in this video, and don't want to waste any time. So let's put 60 seconds on the clock and dive in. Motion is key. You need to have movement in your sequence, whether you add it digitally or you do it in camera, which is usually much better because it looks way more natural. Story is king.
Story is all that matters.
The B-roll has to work to further the story, whether it's a review of an iPhone or a travel film. Don't add useless footage, even if you think it looks nice. Learn in-camera transitions. For example, you can pan right at the end of one clip, and then for the second clip, you continue panning right, so it creates this sort of flow and motion that actually all moving in the same direction. You can check out this video for more information. Now, you really got to color grade your footage. It really takes it to the next level and makes it just look way better. You got a standard bland kind of video, and then you got it really like 10 times better, just by adding a few extra minutes of color grading. Sound is super important. This includes sound design and background music. You got to spend time on this. You can download free effects and make them yourself, and just make sure you can try and get the best audio as possible. So those were the 5 tips. Hopefully they came in under 60 seconds. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash the like button. If you didn't, well, tough, the dislike button don't work. Also, if you want to see some more dope content just like this video and a lot of more tech stuff, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. I'll catch you in another video. Yeah, it's AKAJK. Peace out.